This is going to be a video tutorial on how to activate the full screen mode in the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To enter into full screen mode in Chrome, it's very easy to do. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do that. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Zoom. And off to the far right side of Zoom, you'll see this little box over here. If you place your mouse cursor over it, it says full screen. Now you can either enter into full screen mode by clicking on this box here, or you could hit the F11 key on your keyboard. I'm going to enter into it by clicking on this box. Now to exit out of full screen mode, you can either hit the F11 key on your keyboard, or you could right click in an empty area on your browser. Just right click, and right up here, exit full screen. Off to the far right, it tells you the keyboard shortcut for exiting full screen is the F11 key. I'm going to click on exit full screen. Now I'm back to regular. That is how to activate full screen mode in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.